Hello everyone, I am Dr. Srinath Chandramani, your medicine faculty. At DAMS has been a premier institute for NEET PG and INICET PG entrance exams since 1999. But DAMS has never been static and always been dynamic and adapting to the new trends in the medical education. So keeping in with that spirit, DAMS has now adapted to the CBME-based curriculum, that is your competence-based medical education, and we have come up with a set of completely made notes. It is a handwritten notes, a combination where as a medicine faculty I'm going to address questions related to both the practical as well as the theory. A special section is devoted to ATCOM, the ethics, attitude and communication module, which has gained lot of popularity and importance. And as I went through it as a teacher, I realized how important it is to inculcate in the young generation, to make them aware of their ethics, their communication principles, their rights as well as privileges with the doctor and patient relationship. So with these notes, along with the lectures of the DAMS and with the notes, you are able to ace not only your NEET PG entrance exam but the university exams of any university across the country. So I wish you all the best and I hope you all the very success.